How to connect Apple Health to Fitness app. So to connect Apple Health to a fitness app, you'll need to first open the fitness app and find the settings for linking to other apps or devices, and then follow the on-screen instructions to connect to Apple Health. So here's a more detailed breakdown. So first thing you want to do is open the fitness app. So launch the app you want to connect to Apple Health, like Strava, Runkeeper, or MyFitnessPal. Then navigate to the settings. So find the settings menu within the app. Look for options like link other services like apps and devices, partner accounts, or manage connections. Then connect it to Apple Health. So follow the on-screen instructions to connect to the Apple Health app. This will likely involve granting permissions for the app to access specific data types. Then you want to verify the data sharing. So in the Apple Health app, under sources, you can manage which apps can read and write specific data types. And then lastly, you want to confirm in the fitness app like the Strava. You may also need to confirm the connection within the fitness app itself and potentially refreshing or syncing the data. For example, if you're using Strava, you would open Strava and go to your settings, select and manage the apps and devices, then health, tap the plus sign and then connect. And then lastly, in the Apple Health access page, toggle the desired data types to allow Strava to read and write to health. And by following these steps, that's how you can connect Apple Health to any fitness app.